Hello everyone, welcome back to Staying Local. We are back with a new video in a new destination. We went to Montenegro recently and we will be sharing our experiences in this and the upcoming videos, so stay tuned. In today's video, we will take you to the Kotor Cable Car of Montenegro. The Kotor Cable Car is one of the best attractions of Kotor, which takes you to a height of 1300 meters, providing breathtaking views. The lower station Dub is only about 10 minutes drive from Kotor town. If you are going there by car, there's ample parking space which accommodates over 300 cars. There's a tasting bar and a souvenir shop with other facilities in the lower station. The ride is of 11 minutes, covering a distance of about 3,900 meters. The tickets cost 23 euros for an adult round trip and 13 euros for one-way trip. Children's round trip costs 12 euros and one-way trip costs 7 euro. Children up to 2 years are free to enjoy the ride. So here starts our incredible journey of the Kotor Cable Car. As we started ascending, the views became spectacular. We could see the Kotor Bay like a picture. From this point, the mountain becomes more steep and the views become exciting. This cable car was opened in mid-August of this year, and it has been planned to run from April to October. So we were very lucky to get the chance to take this ride as it closed on October 15th. From this point, we could see the Kotor town and its beautiful bay with 3 cruises and a number of boats floating on it, looking like white dots on the water. At the upper station, they have the Forzakak restaurant, which offers a fresh and unusual combination of traditional Montenegrin cuisine, along with this fabulous view from the deck. From up here, it seemed as if we were standing above the world. After having our lunch, we strolled around the place a bit before going back. There is an amusement park with this ride for the strong-hearted people. we didn't dare to experience that. If you want to go there by car, you have that option as well. But in that case, you are going to miss this incredible cable car ride. Beside the restaurant, there is this platform from where you can take stunning photographs. After having our heart filled by the breathtaking views, we started to return. The reflection of the evening sun on the Adriatic Sea was mesmerizing. This was one of our many experiences in Montenegro. We will come up with our next experience soon, so stay connected. And if you are in Montenegro, do not miss this Kotor Cable Car ride. We hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have, please like the video, share with your friends and family, and drop your valuable feedbacks. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you do not miss any new uploads. Thanks for watching.